Understanding the phrase, leaning towards, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and widely used phrase in English, leaning towards. This phrase is not just about physical movement, but it carries a deeper, metaphorical meaning in everyday conversations. Let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it effectively in your daily English. Before we understand the metaphorical use, it's important to grasp the literal meaning of leaning towards. Imagine you're standing and you tilt your body towards something or someone. That physical action is exactly what leaning refers to. It's a slight movement in a particular direction. This visual understanding will help you comprehend the metaphorical use better. In most conversations, leaning towards is used metaphorically. It means having a preference or inclination towards a choice or opinion, but without a final decision. For example, if someone says, "I'm leaning towards taking the job offer," it means they are inclined to accept the job but haven't decided yet. It's often used when people are considering different options and are slightly favoring one over the others. Let's look at some examples to see how leaning towards is used in everyday English. 1. I'm leaning towards studying abroad next year, but I still need to think about it. 2. She's leaning towards buying a new car, but she's still checking other models. 3. We are leaning towards choosing the blue paint for the living room, but we haven't decided for sure. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in the context of making decisions or choices. When using leaning towards, remember it's about inclination, not a final decision. A common mistake is using it to indicate a definitive choice. For instance, saying, "I'm leaning towards going to Paris next summer," implies you are still considering other options, not that you have already decided to go to Paris. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, leaning towards. Remember, it's all about expressing a preference or inclination towards something while still being in the decision-making process. Use this phrase to communicate your thoughts and choices more effectively in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.